I built 3 content pillars for my YouTube channel, but the lesson isn't the 3 pillars. The lesson is how you steal that formula and make it your own. I'm Jason. This is my channel, Knotty Pine Media. Thanks for watching. So let's talk about my 3 pillars really quick. First pillar is honest reality. It's the version that nobody wants to talk about. It's the 10 p.m. video recording sessions, and it's the videos that get 1 view. That may be you actually viewing your content just to see what it looks like. Pillar B is the juggle. The juggle is about how do you become a content creator while you're also still working a full-time job, and how do you fit everything in? You've got family, you've got other responsibilities, and you've got to squeeze it all in because consistency is the key. Also, not just consistency, but a little bit of integrity. If you say you're going to do 100 videos in 100 days, you've got to step up to the plate. You got to come through with what you said. Pillar C is the system. That's the folders, that's the structure, that's the plans, the spreadsheets that keep everything going. Not because I love spreadsheets, but because you need some way to help you maintain that consistency. So how do you do this on your own? It's that piece that we talked about the other day, the formula manipulation. Let's talk about a few examples. Look at Mr. Beast, for example. He's got probably 5, maybe more channels. He's got his main channel, he's got a gaming channel, his philanthropy channel, and it's all based on the same premise, right? It's extreme things, hooking viewers, but they're all built on the same premise. There's another creator, Ali Abdal. He's a doctor that started a channel teaching med students how to study for med school, and then it blossomed into 3 different concepts: personal development, money, and productivity. He proved one narrow pillar first, then blossomed into 3 other strategies, and that is super similar to our channel with our 3 pillars. So Mr. Beast took his pillars and developed it into some consistent platforms. Ali Abdal sliced his 3 pillars into something that was suitable for his audience, just like I'm doing. I'm using my 3 pillars on my target audience for what I'm trying to accomplish across this one media brand. Let's look at this through the eyes of a pizza analogy. Every single restaurant, every single person that makes pizza has to understand pizza dough. Flour, water, yeast, olive oil, salt, maybe sugar, but not every pizza place makes the same pizza. One pizza maker could put pepperoni on it, one could be doing a white pie with ricotta. It doesn't matter. It's manipulating that formula, but the real concept in there is nobody's stealing dough. They're using the same formula to make their own consistent product, their own personal pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Whether you're making wood-fired Neapolitan pizzas, whether you're making oven-baked or brick oven-baked pizza, what kind of toppings you put on it, it's the same concept. It's the different pillars. It's just like what we did with the 3 pillars. I didn't invent honest reality. I didn't invent the systems. I didn't invent the juggle. I just looked at what other creators were doing and then found content pillars that matched my ideals so I could bring you honest, real, authentic content. And I did that through my life with my experiences. To sum that up, I found the formula that other creators were using, took that formula and manipulated it to my own story. It's the same dough ball, it's just a different pizza. So here's the exercise I'd like you to do. Go pick 2 or 3 content creators. Go watch a few of their videos, some creators that maybe you admire, right? And what I want you to do is I want you to try and pick apart what their 3 pillars are, or what their pillars are. It doesn't have to be 3, but then write them down on a piece of paper and then figure out how to manipulate that formula to the message that you're trying to share. Not the topic, but the structure. What's consistent versus what varies. Ask how that structure could bend around your life, your experience, your expertise, your audience. Be direct. Copying gets you a worse version of someone else's content. Formula manipulation gets you your own thing built on a proven framework. Again, my name's Jason. This is Knotty Pine Media. Thanks for tuning in today. If you would do us a favor and click that subscribe button, it really helps us grow. But also, put in the comments, what are your channel's 3 pillars? Let us know. Let's build this together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, wait, there's more. Just wanted to share with everyone and thank all of our new subscribers. Just over the last few days, as we've been taking our long form, cutting it into shorts and posting those, we've gained another 4 subscribers. You're like, 4 subscribers, big deal. We're at 10 total subscribers right now, but actually our views have gone way up specifically and especially on the short form content. To add 4 subscribers in the first week, I think is just really cool. So thank you, everybody that subscribed. I hope I'm meeting the reasons why you subscribe. Thanks for doing that. Appreciate you all.